the Monkey Book by Jan Flug. This baby woolly monkey uses its tail just like another hand. Wouldn't that be cool if I could turn the pages with my tail? These are red howler monkeys. Father is doing the family howling. Capuchin monkeys are active and noisy. Mother baboon thinks her baby is beautiful. He is very cute. Father mandrill stands guard while his family takes a nap. These patas monkeys use their long legs to sprint across the hot plains. The baby mustached monkey has found a good swing. Look at his mustache. Very handsome. Wish I had a mustache. In this family of colobus monkeys, even the mother and baby have beards. I always wished I had a beard too. I've been trying to grow one. These two young chimpanzees are playing in the trees. Baby gibbon has an exciting ride as its mother swings through the treetops. Look how he's hanging on. A baby rhesus monkey is learning how to climb. And look at this strange monkey. The proboscis monkey lives in Borneo. He does have a very large nose. When night comes to the jungle and the other monkeys are asleep, the little owl monkeys come out. The end.